Have you ever noticed that the same group of realtors seems to top the leaderboard in your brokerage month after month? Well, guess what? A lot of those realtors are working with Click/Wow to market their properties and to build their own personal brand using video and social media. People like...
Hi, Winnipeg. Dylan Balzer.
I'm Amber Vandenbroek.
Bobby Silman.
I'm Deborah Kaminsky.
Hi, it's Ed Dale.
I'm Heather Kelly.
I'm Jesse.
And I'm Madison.
Hi, I'm John Mark Livingston.
Karen Gerard-Smith.
Linda Storchuk. Mary Podlaski.
Andrew Carante.
Anna Schuster and Ellie Hagiv.
I'm Mark Bouvier.
The secret is that when these realtors turn up at a listing appointment, the owners already know who they are because they've seen their videos on Facebook and Instagram. So the conversation becomes about the added value they bring with video, professional photos, and virtual reality. So if you're looking to be truly competitive, to win more listings, to win those big ticket listings, and to build your own personal brand, Click/Wow.